Bobby Spoon that is part of the tournament. Let's see, oh, nag-double na duke. Okay. Natahimik ka ng talon. Kaso na ba? Tinatin makakabawi si Johnson. One hit. Kaso na una si... Kala ko tapos na. Meron pa pala. Nabuhay pa. Oh, tingnan natin.
Retro Mini Convention. Because old school is cool. Witness the first vintage Retro Mini Convention happening here on 4th floor,
Medyo
Cyber.
oh, nice cancel out ng Aduke.
This
Uy,
event
ayun na.
Dalawa. Nice blow.
Uy! Congrats, sir. 1-0, 1-0.
item for adoption. More Philippines. Retro Blue Collectors Philippines.
Parang haba nun, first pass tayo. Parang haba. Ang haba ng laban.
Digital solutions. Stand up from the crowd. Enjoy retro gaming. Enjoy. Have fun.
Oh, tingnan natin. Medyo delikado, pero medyo low sila pareho ngayon. Nagkakamali ang Aduke, no? Nice hiking by Johnson. Another one. Kaso nag-close yung Rayu. Maintaining distance. Nice evade. Kinasa ng Aduke. Oy! Sir, nice hiking. Sir takes the round. And so, habang ongoing po ang ating Street Fighter tournament, so may we inform our buyers na after purchasing po, make sure to scan the QR code para po makasali po kayo sa ating raffle to win these fabulous prizes provided by Game Selections. Uy, grabe naka-perfect si Ron. Okay, kinanapin ko makabaw. So kapag magkanalo si Sir Johnson sa round na to, may isa pang round. So tingnan natin kung makabaw.
Oy!
Medyo
Oy!
delikado, Sir Johnson.
Oy! Grabe. Congrats. Congrats. Congrats.